I actually had to research this and find some good photos to reference for painting the details in gold on this gun. So I'm using a very fine brush. I think it's like a 3-0 brush, and some gold from Atom, the Atom range of gold, which is really great metallic for brush painting. And there you can see all of the little words and symbols and everything that was on there. It says like love hate around the where the bullets go in the barrel, so where the revolver part of it. So pretty cool gun with lots of cool little details on it.